Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into setting up and using the document review process in teamwork.com, your 2025 full guide. First up, log into teamwork.com. This step ensures you're in the right environment for setting up the document review process. Now that we've done that, navigate to the Documents tab. Here's where all your documents live and where you'll be setting up the review process. Next up, select a document to review and click on the Review button. The reason we do this is to initiate the review process for the selected document. Once you've clicked on Review, a window pops up. Here, you can add reviewers by typing in their email address. This helps us because it allows us to select who we want to review the document. You can also set a due date for the review. Let me explain why this matters. It gives reviewers a time frame within which they need to complete their review. After you've added reviewers and set a due date, hit Start Review. Now, the document is sent to the selected reviewers. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. An email notification is sent to the reviewers with a link to the document to be reviewed. The last step is to check the review status. You can do this by going back to the Documents tab and clicking on the reviewed document. This will show you whether the review is pending, in progress, or completed. It's essential to keep track of the review status to ensure the process is moving along as expected. And that's it. Now you know how to set up and use the document review process in teamwork.com. It's a simple yet powerful tool that can greatly enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of your document management. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.